Fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you here.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing okay. This is our room at the Vinoy. Would you like to do our room tour?
Hi everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe.
On the go. So Jen, where are we and what are we doing this time?
We are at the Vinoy in downtown St. Petersburg, and we are going to do a room tour for you.
Yes. Now we've stayed here before, but we were in the new section. This is considered the old section of the hotel.
The historic
section. Yeah, don't say old, say
historic. But it looks like the room has been newly renovated to fit the newer rooms on the
newer side?
The west side.
When you stayed here before, because you stayed here once before we stayed together, were you on the new side or the historic side?
I've only stayed on the new side.
On the new side. So
yeah.
You were there and we stayed on the new side. So we've not been in this side of the hotel before. So we don't know. We can ask to see if the rooms are renovated, but they look very nice. They probably have been.
Or they look very well taken care of.
Yeah. So let's just show you around really quick. Okay, tour guide, go ahead.
All right, so when you first walk in, you've got, your robes and slippers, ironing board, and your luggage rack. Nice. And up here, there's some cabinets with iron.
Okay.
Okay, then you've got your coffee bar. Oh, nice. They provide the half and half and the Nest, what are these, like the Nest caps?
Oh, it's a Nespresso?
Yes.
Oh, so that's a little different than a curate.
It is a Nespresso. And they provide the water for it. And then I would assume this is going to be your refrigerator.
Yeah.
It is. Let's see. Yes.
A couple waters in there.
A couple waters. Are there waters in the fridge too?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Okay. And then you've got your nice big selfie mirror so you can get ready into your photos. And then to the right is the bathroom. This is really nice. Nice soft rug. Let's see how this opens. Nice walk-in shower. Ooh, what's this? Florio shower gel. I've never heard of the Ortigia line. Ortigia. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Then we've got your sink with towels, blow dryer. It's nice storage, extra toilet paper, the makeup washcloth, which I love, body lotion, conditioner and shampoo, so all the things. Some soap. Ooh, what's in here? Makeup remover pads, a vanity set, and some more makeup remover wipes. Those are coming with me to Orlando. And then if you want to take in this spa, you've got a whole Vinoy spa menu. So it's really nice. Makeup mirror, is it lighted? Why, yes it is. Yeah, this is a nice sized bathroom. It's laid out very well.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you walk in. You've got your king size bed. Nightstands on each side. Is there? Oh, I like how the TV remote is in a stand. Oop. Oh, some mood lighting. Is this the light? Oh, more lighting, mood lighting. And then you've got a comfy couch to sit in and relax. Our view is nothing fancy this time around, because this is a free stay.
So we do have a little bit of, I don't know, kind of back area, but we also do have a partial view of the water. So if you look out there a little bit, you'll see a little bit of the water.
Past the roofs.
Yeah.
And the trees.
So we do have a little bit of a water view, but that's okay. It's good. Our water view is going to be down by the pool. We'll be looking at the pool water.
That's true.
Coming up very soon, very soon. So the one thing that I can say is that every single Marriott hotel where we've stayed have always had a couch or something to sit on.
And I do appreciate that.
Couch, chairs. So you got the table here.
Which is nice. Oh, and there's looks like there's two like pull-out chairs where you could sit around the table and eat. If you didn't want to sit on the couch.
Oh yeah, that's
nice
what they
touch.
are. Yep.
Or if you order room service.
Put my backpack on that.
Or some breakfast in bed.
Yeah, so it's kind of tucked off to the side. You wouldn't even know. So good catch. You could possibly, I would think, move the table over here a little more out of the way too, but I've got the one bag there. So what do we have down in here? We've got the big screen TV.
And then you've got some extra storage, I'm assuming, on both sides.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the safe.
You got the safe in there.
And then this is probably just storage. Let's see.
Drawers.
Yeah, just some pull-out drawers. So anyway, the room is very nicely laid out. It's very clean. It's very comfortable in here.
Fancy artwork.
The thermostat was set to 75, and it's very cool in here because it's already 92 outside.
I know. It's been warm. It's been very warm.
Yeah.
But
so we're going to end this video, and then we're going to take guys downstairs in a new video and show you all of the renovations because we're really eager to see them.
yeah, we walked through the lobby, which was very nice. So yeah, they
May
did
have to get a coffee and a little snacky snooky too.
Probably. We haven't had coffee yet today. So all right.
All right. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action. So please subscribe because it really helps our channel.
Thanks for watching as always. Stay tuned. More videos coming up. We'll do the resort tour of the Vinoy and then Disney videos coming up.
Yeah.
We're heading
so
to Orlando
excited.
tomorrow. Yeah. So, all right.
All right. Bye, everyone.
Bye.